out. I'm going to go ahead and start, mostly because these lovely signs are the hardest part about inequalities. So, they even gave you some words here, so pay attention to your wording. No more than. Starting pay. So, pay attention to your wordings because that's the hardest part about this. We're going to basically do the same thing we did yesterday. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out what the variable is. Everybody okay so far? Also, if you guys did the sheet on the back yesterday, if you want to put that in today, I'll actually check where y'all are at the end of class. You will see you have 2 assignments in there. That means you can either do the one we were doing yesterday or day 2. I will give you either one as your day credit. Any questions on that? And Adrian, on the back of each of these pages, it actually has the assignment that's also in Google Classroom. That way you guys can stay caught up. All right, so first things first. What is our variable? What's our variable talking about? What is the variable? Bless you. What's the only letter there that's by itself? That's your variable. What is it? For the very first one, I'm on this one right here. M. So your M is your variable. Now, what is M talking about? Months. So your multiple is going to be your variable. I want to know what's going on with that variable. Because let's be honest. If you know what the variable is, the rest of this is easy. Now, Ms. Aguilar actually added us in some questions that you're seeing over here. So all the questions we're going to answer to help us get the sign. Yes, I want you to answer these questions. They will help you determine the sign. All right, so what's attached to our months? What's happening over and over and over with our months? What number? This is the same as yesterday. 10. All right. Are we adding anything? One time, remember? Anything like that? What is it? $36.99. All right, so I'm not going to have you do all the wants and all that. How much is our total? $86.99. Did I have to come up with any numbers? No, I didn't have to do any math, right? All I'm doing is writing this. Now, it wants to know when would the cost exceed, not exceed $86.99. So, can it cost $86.99? Yes? Can it cost more?
No.
Can it cost less?
Yes.
So, we need less or equal. Which one says less or equal? Less than or equal to, right? Which means your sign goes like this. Let me see if I can get a good color that'll show up. That better? So if I was rewriting this, I would have 10M plus $36.99, and I went ahead and used the exact same variable they did, less than or equal to $86.99. Is everybody okay with this?
Yes.
Alrighty. We're going to go ahead and do this one down here. And we did most of these yesterday. So we're also going to redo that one because I know y'all struggled with that one yesterday. And then I'm going to check in, see where y'all want to do. So go ahead and look at Alan next. What is our variable? X. What is X talking about? What's X talking about? Number of donuts brought. All right. What happened to the donuts? What originally happened to the donuts? After you brought them in, what did he do? Whoa, what did he do right after he brought them in? He put half of them in the break room. So, is this happening? Basically, did he do this to where he split something of our total and did he take it apart? That means we are messing with our X when we're saying half of them, right? Anytime you're messing with the X, that's what goes with the X. Y'all have questions? Okay. And then what happened? He ate 3. And you can take out this little addition sign if you want, or you can leave it. It's up to you. All right, and then what do we know? There's at least 8. So, can he have 8? Yeah. Can he have more?
No.
If he has at least, if you have to be at least this tall to ride the ride, and I'm under my head for those people at home, because I'm recording this. So, if I have to be at least this tall, can I ride it? You have to be at least this tall to ride the ride. Can I ride it?
Yes.
If I'm taller.
Yes.
So if he has at least 8, could he have more? Yes. So anytime you hear at least, I want you to think roller coaster. So go ahead and write this in, roller coaster. You may have to write tiny. Roller coaster. When you see the word at least, I want you to think roller coaster. So most of y'all figured out by now I have a green car. It's pretty quick. When it is pretty outside, I at least drive the speed limit. If you've seen me in the morning, you know for a fact I'm probably driving a lot faster than the speed limit. Yeah, that's the one law I do break. Sorry. Could he have less than 8 if he has to at least? No. So that means we need greater or equal to. Bless you. So greater or equal to. How we doing? All right, so we're going to do a real quick check. I'm doing okay. I'm not sure, or I'm not sure. You could do this on your chest. That way the person next to you can't see it, if that makes you feel more comfortable. Trust me when I tell you, they can't see this. Okay. So, I'm doing okay, not even doing well. On your chest, if you don't mind. I got a few. Kinsley, still kind of looking for you. Okay. This way I also know kind of who I need to come see for other things. All right, let's go ahead and look at Deandra. I crossed this one off yesterday because I knew it was an inequality. Because it tells you write an inequality straight up. It even tells you that yesterday. So Deandra has a $100 gift card. She used her gift card to buy 4 identical shirts. And wants us to write an inequality to find the cost of each shirt. So, what do I know? She has a gift card.
It's 4 of the same shirts.
4 of the same shirts. So what's happening if I'm buying something?
You're spending money.
I'm subtracting, aren't I? Okay. Is my $100 going to be positive or negative? Positive. What am I buying that's going to be negative?
Shirts.
Shirts. Now, what's my variable talking about? cost of the shirt, which means that's going to be a negative, isn't it? Now it's telling us what? What's our total? $12.30. Now, if she had less than that, can she have $12.30? Can it have more? Can it have less? Do you see why these questions are helpful?
Yes.
Because that means this has got to be more. Let me rewrite that way it's a little better. That means my total has to be more than what I'm spending. All right, how we doing? I know that was a harder one. Kenzie, how you doing? That's why thumbs work great. All right, do y'all want to see one more? Yeah? Okay. Let's see here. Why don't we do this one again? Let's see here. The cost was below. All right. I'm going to let some of y'all take control of this one. What do I write? What do I start with? What am I looking for? Think about what I'm making.
Find the cost of each pizza.
Okay, what is that? P. All right. Now what do I write?
The bill was $53.85.
Okay, so where do I put that?
In the middle.
In the middle? Okay, I'm hearing from maintenance total. Okay, keep going, gentlemen.
And then you put the $7.65 in the middle.
Okay.
And then
Bless you.
in the beginning, because that's how much.
Okay, keep going. You're doing great. Go through our questions.
Can it cost $53.85? No. Can it cost more? No. Can it cost less?
Okay, so which way does my sign go? Okay, so I had a student explain this to me one time. Maybe this will help some of you. See how there's only 1 point on this side? See how there's 2 on this side? So the 2 points go towards the bigger number. I don't know if that'll help some of y'all. Some of y'all think of it as alligator, but I had one kid who was like, the alligator didn't make sense to me. So that's what she came up with. All right, I want you to try the assignment. It should now be the same as your lovely page. You should have 2 in there. So you have a day 2 and a day 4. So day 2 and day 4. And I apologize about the confusion yesterday. I'm sorry it was not the same. So you can either finish the one from yesterday, or you can take from day 2. It depends if you did it on paper.
What are we doing this?
So the